Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here with Rake and Profit. And in this video, I wanted to share a quick tip because I've been seeing this posted in the Facebook groups a little bit. And when you're going to ship your items, you might see this notification. So if you take a look at this picture right here, you can see different products. And if you look closely in red above the SKU, it says the SKU for this product is unknown or cannot be found. So I get this question all the time and people are always asking, well, what do you do? Like, how do you fix this? The reason this is happening is because it takes a little bit of time when you actually push your shipment through. If you're using a third-party listing software, once you do the whole send to Amazon thing, for it to actually go through and fully connect. So the lesson is, if you see this when you're doing your shipment, typically wait around 10 to 15 minutes, and then everything will reconcile, and that notification that says the SKU for this product is unknown or cannot be found will disappear. Now, sometimes you might have to wait 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Sometimes it takes a while, but from my understanding, you don't want to ship out your items with this notification. I'd actually love to put out a question for everybody watching right now. What do you do when because you know how when you create your shipment, you got to do send to Amazon. What do you do when this notification pops up? Do you wait? Or do you just push it through and hope for the best? Because I did have a period of time where I was having a lot of items go stranded and having different issues. And I started to think maybe this is the reason right here. The SKU for this product is unknown or cannot be found. And we actually had a period of time where items weren't being listed and it was a whole thing. So I'm curious, do you guys and gals wait? What do you do? Leave a comment down below and hopefully this video helps. Thanks for watching. Bye.